Hi, April. How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
Doing well so far.
So we've been doing a series of challenging your fellow SEs to see how quickly they can implement different functionality, whether that's like instantiating the web viewer, generating a document with the templating API, finding and redacting PII. So we've already gone through those and they've all been pretty quick, but we're kind of upping the ante a little bit and giving you a little bit of a tougher challenge. However, I still feel pretty confident that you can accomplish this. So, Tommy, how quickly do you think you can update this page so that the web viewer is showing an original PDF and a redacted PDF and kind of highlighting the differences?
Yeah, so it should only take a couple of quick copy and paste. Theoretically, everything is all pre-built in WebViewer, and I can just grab it from the documentation and show you what it looks like in a couple seconds.
Okay, so let's get going. Let's see how fast we can take this. So first, searching up the docs. Okay, I see some purple links. So clearly you visit this page a lot. Do a lot of customers and prospects want this functionality?
Absolutely. So this is a common point for me. I'm just going to go ahead and start copy and pasting a couple of things over here from the documentation. But yes, I'm on these pages all the time, and we actually use this every day when we're helping prospects figure out what they need in their applications and showing them the same thing live on our calls.
Yeah. So right now we're trying to test your speed here. So in the docs, it kind of walks you through the different steps of what things are doing. Feel free to go and check that out. But right now, Tommy is getting in there, copying and pasting the different pieces so we can get in and see this comparison. So
yep, I think I have it all. I just need to change some file paths real quick.
Let's see the code. Let's see where you're pasting it to.
Sure. So we're gonna be sticking the code over here in our application. This is our basic web viewer that we've instantiated. And so we're gonna take this code snippet that I have and plop this right in here and then finish what's our file called? Invoice redacted.pdf. Theoretically, I think this is all we need to make it happen. So let's refresh the page and keep our fingers crossed.
All right. I'm feeling confident. Okay. Whoa.
There you go. So we have our side-by-side view set up. You can see both views are synced. That was part of the code that we wrote real quick, but we have our original not redacted document on the left, our redactions on the right, and we have this neat panel over here that's actually showing you all of the text from the old and new documents that was removed.
All right. Well, I mean, color me impressed. You said a couple minutes, and that was still less than that, even with me bothering you. So, nice, easy,
not too bad,
not too bad. So what do people like normally want this functionality for? Like, what are the common use cases you see?
It's typically just to, we have a bunch of AI built into the toolkit and automatic PII detection. So you would use this to verify, say, hey, did it redact the things that I wanted it to redact? And this would be your user review process. You can just go and click through and say, oh, everything's blacked out that needs to be. And then you can save out your document and send it on to the next person in the process.
Awesome. Yeah. And I mean, Apryse handles like a lot of these more technical details, of course, so that for you, it's copying and pasting a few lines of code from the docs and then being able to kind of give this really powerful functionality to whoever your end users are.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, we're here to, make it easier to get to this point. You can copy and paste from the docs and you can have a fully functioning production ready app in a few clicks.
Yeah. Great job, Tommy. I'll have to think of something a little harder for next time.
Yeah, sounds good.